How's it going, everyone? Welcome to one more video from 161 Power Sports, and in this video we're talking about the all-new Kodiak Defender golf cart. As you can see, it's a real nice lifted golf cart. It's our newest lineup. It's available in 10 different colors, so you might want it in white. We have got the white. You might want it in blue, camo, powder blue colors. We've got colors for everyone. Let's talk about this golf cart. You get real nice 14-inch wheels, SS wheels right here. Get this one's the off-road version as well, so you get more aggressive tires. We have more like DOT tire packages available as well, so definitely let us know if you want that for that application, and we could like switch out the wheels. It actually comes with coilover shocks right here, A-arms, and then it's also got disc brakes in the front. You get a real nice front grille, LED lights, a bumper guard right there, and look at this. It comes with all marine rated, weatherproof, weather resistant leather seats. It's real nice. So we can always switch out the colors as well according to whatever you guys want to put in there. We can also put different stitch patterns, but even stock stitchings, I mean, they look real like nice. The seat is really plush, so when you sit on it, it's very comfortable. Yeah. I'm about like 5'10", and I occupy about like the stitchings that's available over here. So there's enough room for like at least 2 grown adults. So this one's the lifted version. We also have like the non-lifted lowered models. So for folks that have like trouble getting into like lifted golf carts, we also have ones that are like lower, like about 2-3 inches. So check us out on our website or just give us a call so we can get you more information on the lowered ones. So now another good thing is you also get a 9-inch display screen on this one right here. So once you turn it on, let it load, and you have like this nice little screen that comes up. That's the Kodiak right there. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're able to like see it with all the glare, but that's your screen right there. It also has reverse camera, so when you put it in reverse, that's your gear selector. It'll pop the camera on. That's neutral, and then you select your gear like to go forward right over here. Now it has like a high and a low switch mode, which I think on a low you can go with factory settings about 11 miles per hour, and then on the high probably about like 18 to 19 miles per hour. But the good thing is it comes with an app. Now it's got a real nice NAVITAS control module, like a motor controller. Let me go and undo that strap so I can show you what this controller is all about. So it's their newest technology on the controller, and you guys are gonna like this on what it offers. So if you look at it, it is a lithium battery, 51.2 volts with 105 amp hours. That's your eco-friendly battery. And now this golf cart has room for another additional lithium battery that you can add on. Now, the cruising range on this one right now, as it sits with a single lithium battery, is right at about like 25 to 35 miles per hour. Now, depending on the road conditions, the load definitely fluctuates, so it will be between that 25 on the low and then 35 on the high end. But if you add another battery in here, it's going to get it up to as much as like 70 miles cruising range. That's like pretty good, right? So this is the controller I'm talking about. This is the NAVITAS brand new motor controller right there. And it's got the run and tow mode right here. So it's got electronic braking system. So you can either put it in run, which means that electronic parking is automatically turned on. And then that tow toggle switch, that tow option is when, let's say if it's not working and you gotta still move, it like basically disengages that electronic brake. So it's actually integrated on the motor controller itself. It's not a separate module like on the other golf carts. So with the NAVITAS, you get an app. So with that app, what you can do is you can control the settings on like how fast you want it to go. Now on our other golf cart options, we had like ones that were doing, I would say what? At most, I think we had one that went up to like 25 miles per hour. But with NAVITAS controller, what you can do is with that app downloaded to your phone, you'd be able to like go as high as 33 miles per hour. So in order to do that, you just got to log in, download the app, and then just go and register your vehicle within the app. And once you like set your control settings, no matter what high and low gear you're in. If you want to set it at only 10 miles per hour, it'll only go 10 miles per hour. If you're, let's say, if somebody that's riding, which, let's say maybe a kid is riding and you don't want them to go fast, you want to govern it down. It's all could be done like within the app. Now, if you want to go up to like 35, 33 miles per hour, you can definitely do that with the app as well. So that's real cool, right? And then also as far as like repairs on this thing, so it's really not a problem because on this one you get that app. So what happens is when anything is wrong on it, you can open the app, and we have our master software on our end, on the dealer end. So let's say we ship it out to Georgia, we ship it out to like Carolinas, or anywhere you guys are at. If there's a problem with the golf cart, all you got to do is just stop, open up the app, it'll display that fault code, you'll be integrated to our back-end software, and it will tell us exactly what's wrong with the golf cart, and we're able to like fix that for you. 99% of the time, all the problems could be solved within the software, so you don't have to worry about replacing or taking it to a shop to get it fixed or anything like that. So 99% of the time that's the case. But obviously that 1% on like, nothing is 100%. So if you have any problems with that, you can always coordinate with us. So we can like go and like make sure you guys are taken care of. So now the golf cart itself comes with 2 years bumper to bumper warranty, number one. Number two, it also comes with a separate warranty on the battery. So it comes with 4 years on the battery right there. So if it acts out, it's a free replacement up to the first 3 years, and then the extra year is going to start to prorate, and that can like add up. I think they go as high as like 8 years, depending on different models. So just let us know. It's between 4 to 8 years on prorated battery replacement warranties, and then for the first 3 years, it's actually included with it. All right. So let's talk about the windshield. It also comes with a foldable windshield right here. But if you want this to be registered as DOT approved and operated like that, then if you want a clear windshield, we could put a clear windshield as well. But the ones that come included is going to be a foldable, detachable windshield. Let's talk about the back right here. Same seating, marine rated leather seats. You get this bar right here, cup holders, and good thing is you push this button, there's a storage right here. So ample amount of storage. You can put your phone in there, you can put whatever. Make use of that. Also, this one, let's say when you're traveling, I would recommend, this one's got a pin on it. You take off the pin, bend it over, and what you could do is you can use these seat belts to like strap them down so they're not flying all over. Same thing with this one. Pull the seat belts out, go across this, grab handle, and then just secure it on the seat belt so that way it's not flapping. So I've seen a lot of times people go and hit bumps along the way while traveling, and then it messes up the seating space and this hinge right here because it has a lot of impact. So you could that's definitely one way to like do it, or if you could just throw a strap over it, that would be cool as well. So gear selector. Now as far as charging goes, you can like directly plug it up to your wall, so it does not require any type of special charging or anything like that. So you just plug and play, charge it up, should be no problem. And on this one right here, it's actually on super sale right now. Regularly they are about like $12,900, but we're doing like 1,000 off MSRP, getting down to as low as $11,999. So this is going to be sale at $11,999, the Defender model. We do have financing options available, so if you guys want to get it financed, definitely give us a call at 469-669-1313. This is our most sought after lithium battery golf cart that we have available for this year, 2024. So if you guys are interested on something like this, want to know about the color options, financing options, in general, like the questions on like the features that we just went over, and have more detailed questions on those, definitely feel free to reach out to us at 161 Power Sports, 469-669-1313. We're open from 10 to 6 every day. We are able to ship this thing nationwide, so no matter where you are, we're able to like have it shipped, fully assembled, ready to go. Also, if you guys are local, feel free to come by to the store and test them out. And like I said, we're open from 10 to 6 every day. We're here located in Texas, Grand Prairie. So you should be able to find us out. The address should be in the description below. Now, as far as the storage under the back seat, let me show you that as well. I think we kind of missed that, so let's go over that real quick. So this one is definitely foldable, and you get this. You can turn this into a flatbed right here. And then you got this little storage ice chest holder. You also have the drip over here, so you can let the fluids, the water, like drain out from over here. That's your drain. That's your charging cord that comes with it. Like I said, you can do multiple use with this thing. So close it up like that, fold it back down, and this is the new Defender Kodiak for you guys. Comes with those extended top, all the standard features, camera lens right over there, sequential blinkers right there, sequential lights. So you do have everything that's going to be required on a golf cart, or you'd want on a golf cart. So give us a call to find out more on this unit. If you want to just go and directly purchase it from our website, you're able to do that. Just go and click on the link on the description below, and we should be able to go and get that process for you. Let's go and start it up and show you guys how it rides. It's got horns. Oh, almost air horns. I really like that. Blinkers right on the side, on the up underneath the steering wheel. So I'm on reverse. Let's go. See how it drives. The brakes are pretty good because these are all disc brakes. Put it in forward gear. Boom. Right there. Also, I forgot to mention, but one of the most sought after highlights on this golf cart is going to be the speakers that come included. It's not extra, and these are real nice speakers right here. See this? Bluetooth connect and everything. So we should be able to like go and connect the Bluetooth with it and play music as well. Let me drive around real quick. Great turning, guys. It's got pretty good turning. Okay, see if I can make it through this. Got a lot of trucks today. Oh yeah. This turning radius is pretty dope. I like it.